3 people have died and several others injured in a wave of fresh violence that has threatened to tear apart the coexistence of 2 local communities living in Njoro Nakuru County. 400 families have been left homeless and a trail of destruction witnessed as the emotive subject of land resurfaces yet again. Our reporter Elfas Lagat has followed closely the developments at conflict-ravaged Njoro and now files the following report.
It is the frustrated look of a mother of 6 who watched in horror as the house was reduced to ashes by a gang wielding machetes and arrows.
Sai sioni hakuna hiyo chakula imechoma yote. Sijui sasa vile nitafanya. Sababu watoto wangu sasa hakuna shule, hakuna chochote, hakuna manguo, mambrageti, hakuna chakula, hakuna. Tunakaa msituni na hiyo baridi yote na iko na mtoto mdogo nimeacha msituni.
36-year-old Rose Chepkrui is one of the hundreds who have been rendered homeless following the clash by the local communities yesterday. The outcome has been utterly devastating.
Tumechomewa nyumba, kila kitu imewestiwa. Sasa tunaomba serikali atusaidie haki. Chuata sasa ikifika usiku sasa watoto hawachakula lunch, hawachakunywa chai asubuhi na hawajui bali penye wataenda.
In 1994 through to 1997, before a caveat was effected, government issued land in sections close to the contentious Mau forest. Over the years, it is reported that one of the communities sold huge sections of their legally acquired land and moved deeper into Mau. Now, with the ongoing evictions at Mau Water Tower, the 2 communities are going for each other's necks. Rivalry has escalated, threatening the very coexistence of these local communities that have lived side by side for years.
Kukaa kidogo tunaona hata baadhi ya watu wanachangia kutaka sisi kuondoka sehemu hii. Ndio unaona hata hiyo maneno ikiendelea hivyo.
Over 400 families have been rendered homeless, while dozens critically injured are receiving treatment at Nakuru Level 5 Hospital, with women and children bearing the brunt the most. Over 400 families have sought refuge at Msegekwa School alongside 6 other primary schools. Their single most standout desire is that the national government and the local government, that is the county government, will work together to quickly solve the land issue so that they can go back to normalcy. Elfas Lagat, KTN News, Nakuru County.